Hey everybody, and welcome to Two Loose Bricks. I'm Freddy, and right now we've got this parcel that came over from China, from AliExpress, and this is basically a tool, more or less, for Technic bricks, and we have to put it together, of course, but it's a tool with the rubber things so you can pull pins, push out your axles and stuff like that. It's like a pair of pliers. So it's a little easier to use than the brick separators. My friend Jenny got me on this and she said it would be good to have. So she's got them and she loves them. So we're going to put this one together and test it out and see how well it really works. For $3.87, it's not a bad deal. It took like a month and a half to get it, but it's here now. So let's try it. Let's put this beast together, shall we? So that would go like that. That would go like, but we gotta put, okay, these will go on here like that. Okay, so we got that much together. And we put these are rubber or silicone or something like that, so you don't scratch your pieces. So they just fit on the tongue end of your thing there. I guess that would go together like that. Yep. And then the springs just sit in there and then in there. If we can get it in there, so there we go. Yep. Nice. And then one of these clamps down on that side, and then one in on this side here. If we can get it in, you gotta sort of align it opposite the other one. There we go. And they also have sockets for your axles. So there we go, some little pliers. Now let's find something that I've got and give it a go. But anyway, so you can see there's a little bit of difference. Oh yeah, there is. Okay, so you get your axle up. There is a good grip on that silicone. And then of course you can put your axle in there to turn it and make it easier to get out. Or you got, like on the brick separator, you got the pin and the axle part sticking out on the bottom of them. So what we got to do is get some Technic parts and give this a whirl. Okay, so we got some Technic parts here, and we got some pins and an axle and whatnot. So we're going to try these pliers and see. So you just put on your pin and pull. Oh my goodness. And it's also good for inserting them too. There's no effort into that whatsoever. Makes life so much easier. I can see why she suggested I get that if you do a lot of Technic pinning and stuff. In and out, in and out. Perfect. Now, it's the same with this one here. Sometimes you really, well, that one's not too bad, but like those blue ones are tough, as you can see. With my fingers, I gotta really give it a good grip to get it out, because they are have the little marks on the side, so they have the friction on those pins. But now with the plier tool, it's in and out, as simple as can be. It should be the same with this one here as well. Yeah, very simple. And you can also do it on the sidewise too, because it has like the little groove in the pliers there to do it sidewise. And I imagine it could do the same with this one here, yeah. But those are more straight because they got the hole on the side. But you can do it on either angle, so that's not too bad. Now, I'm not sure exactly what the purpose. I guess it's for driving the axles in and pushing them in. That makes sense. It's a bit tight, but it works. You can also pull them out that way as well, so that's not too bad. Let's see, we can probably take the bushing off as well. Well, you just slide it down like that, it'll come off. Yeah, so let's see. Let's just see now. Okay, we put that up so far, but now that one, okay, that's got the stopper in the joiner, so that's not really going to work, but it should push out the axles. Let's do it like this and see if it'll work. Let's put the little bearing there a little bit, just halfway on that. Okay, so we got the thing halfway there, so it should just pop through and it takes that off, no problem, just like that, and then we can take that little piece off like that. So yeah, so for $3.87, these little Technique building pliers, they're no name, they're generic on AliExpress. I mean, they're not totally the best, but I mean, for $3 and some odd cents and free shipping, yeah, it's worth it. And it's got the silicone grippers on them and the spring. You could probably 3D print something like this too, but accuracy for the tips may be off a little bit if you're 3D printing. You gotta have a spring. It's going to cost you just as much to 3D print one of these as it is to purchase it. So that's just a quick mini review on these no-name Chinese brand Brick Technic pliers. They work great. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this little video. It was really it was fun to do, actually. So I will catch you guys again in the next video. Whether it's a review, short, or something, please come back and visit our channel often, and you never know what you might see. Talk to you later.